Hello from your Tech Teach Grow team here with another tech tip of the week. Today's tip is about Canva. If you've never heard of Canva, it's a great tool that we have access to. It is free at HSD. You can log in with your school Google account and start designing right away. This is a great program to create templates for lots of different educational tools and even more than that. You can see here I'm logged in. You can see some of the different options that you can choose from. And over here on the left side, you'll find your designs, things people have shared with you, and so on. On the top here, you can find lots of different types of templates. There's even an education section here. Different features, and there's some great tutorials up here under the Learn tab. The one that I wanted to show you today is Jamboard. So Jamboard is a great tool that we use with Google Classroom and Google products where students can interact. Basically, it's an interactive whiteboard. Well, it gets a little boring sometimes when it's just a plain old whiteboard. So Canva has these great templates that you can use when you're using Jamboard with your students. There's a lot of different quizzes, graphs, note takers, all kinds of great tools here. I'm going to just click on the first one so you can get an idea of what it looks like. So the thing about these is that once you put them on your Jamboard, you cannot change them. So you want to go ahead and make your changes here in Canva. You can click on the different sections. You can change the images. So maybe I want to do some sort of poll or vote with my class. So maybe I'll keep the cast your vote and then I'll change the question and change the answer choices here. And then students can, drag and drop things. They can use a sticky note on Jamboard, whatever you would like. Over here on the left side, you can see that you can add different things. You can upload pictures to add here, or you can find images that they have already. They'll say free if they're available with a free account. Otherwise, I think they have a little lock symbol if they're not. You can add some different text, different elements, graphics and shapes and such, change backgrounds. Also, within the design already, you can change colors. So there's a lot of great options here to make this your own. Once you have finished it and completed it to your desired settings, then you're going to want to go up here and download this. So when I download it, it's going to suggest that I do it as a PNG, which is fine for Jamboard, just an image. The great thing is when you add things to Jamboard, there's often a problem because students end up moving them around. However, if you upload this onto your Jamboard, the students can't move this around because it's an image. So it would just be the background image and then students can write on top of it. So once you download it, then you can upload it to Jamboard and there you go for your project. Some other fun templates here I wanted to show you in the education. We have lesson plan templates, worksheet templates, certificates, bookmarks, class schedules, and all sorts of things like that. So I hope that you give Canva a try and bring a little more creativity into your lesson plans.